to Art Tips with Sherita. And for those of you who may not know me, I am the Art Master, and I'm also the founder and CEO of The Feathers Touch, which is a therapeutic art company that serves seniors and special needs individuals. So, the art tip for today is very simple, but something very important to know. One of the things I want to share with you are the paintbrushes. So I do a lot of painting at these nursing facilities, and one of the things that I realize is very important to have a good paintbrush, okay? So some of you may be familiar with this type of paintbrush. It's very simplistic. It has like those really thick bristles, right? And they automatically come with like your watercolor palettes or any kind of painting set that you have, right? So these type of bristles, they're not really the best to use because you cannot get really sharp edges and really get that nice soft feel of a regular paintbrush. So what I suggest, instead of using these, but instead get some really nice paintbrushes that have really nice fine tips. That way they can really get into the details when they're painting, and you get a nice smooth texture, versus with these type of paintbrushes, you're going to have really sharp edges, and it's not going to have that really nice detail that they want to get. So let me show you what the difference between the two are and how they work, and then you'll see that it'll be so much better to have one of these rather than one of these. So let's get started. Okay, so I drew this really cute heart shape, very simple heart shape, nothing really spectacular, but I just wanted to show you a very simple way to show you the difference between the two paintbrushes. So here we have this paintbrush here, and it has those really thick bristles like I had talked about earlier. So the bristles are kind of prickly. They're not really as pointed or anything, so they're very sharp edged, right? So with this one, you have this really nice softer bristles, and they come to a point, which is what you really want. So let me show you the difference between the two. If we're using the brush with the thicker bristles, yes, we're going to be able to paint in, we're going to be able to get those details, but look at how it kind of creates that little sketchy feel to it, right? And you're painting it in, and you want to get to the edges, so you can, but it's not going to be absolutely the way that you would like it to be, right? And it also makes that really interesting noise, right? But if you were to use this paintbrush, which is this more pointed and soft touch paintbrush, you can really get into the lines and the details, and look at how that works. That works so much better. So when you're using your paintbrushes and you're getting them ready for your clients, really think about what paintbrush you're going to use. Okay? Really think about using a paintbrush with a softer edge and softer bristles rather than the thick bristles that automatically come with your paint set or your watercolor set. It makes a really big difference in how your clients paint, and also helps them be able to really enjoy the artistic process. So, I hope that was a helpful tip for you. Have a good day, and I'll see you next time.